plant. Have you ever heard of a flower that can soothe your lungs? Discover the ancient secret of mullein tea, a golden brew also known as the candlewick plant. Native to Europe and Asia, the mullein plant, with its tall stalks and bright yellow flowers, has been used for centuries in traditional remedies. This flannel leaf tea offers a gentle, honey-like aroma. Its main power lies in supporting respiratory health. Mullein tea helps soothe your throat and lungs, clearing out excess phlegm, making it a wonderful ally against coughs and congestion. It's also rich in antioxidants, supporting your overall wellness. Making it is simple. Just place a mullein tea bag or a teaspoon of dried leaves into a cup. Pour over freshly boiled water and let it steep for 10 to 15 minutes. For a touch of sweetness, add a little honey or a slice of lemon. But before you enjoy, a word of caution. If you have known allergies, are pregnant or breastfeeding, or are taking medications like blood thinners, it's always best to consult your healthcare provider first. Embrace the gentle power of nature. Enjoy a cup of mullein tea and breathe easy.